What's going on, guys? Today I have the Mavic 2 Fly More kit along with my Mavic 2 Pro, my Mavic 2 Zoom. So we're gonna unbox this kit. We're gonna see how much gear we can fit back inside this bag, but I have a special case that's gonna be delivered any moment, so let's get right into it. All right, so let's start by focusing on the kit. I'm gonna move all my gear to the side. All right, guys, so now let's open up the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. Wow, they really put it in there good. So there it is, Fly More kit. And on the bottom, we have the manual. So let's go in for a little closer look. Why not open? We'll take out this first. This is the car charger. So we have our car charger right there. You have one outlet for the car, and you have the other end for your battery. So we got our car charger right here. All right, next up we have our shoulder strap right here. So we got that. All right, so we got our nice little shoulder strap right here, which we can put on right now. All right, and the shoulder strap says, obviously, Mavic 2. I don't know if you can see it right there. Nothing on that side. Okay, we go down here, battery number 1, battery number 2. So we have our 2 batteries. But I almost forgot one more thing inside here. So what we have here is the charging hub. Our charging hub right there for 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries, okay? And that just folds up just like that. And then last but not least, I think the propellers are in here. Haven't seen them. Yep, they are. 2 sets of propellers. One set right here. We have a white and a black. And we have another set right over here, a white and a black. And we have this last little thing right here. This is our little power bank adapter. We have 2 USBs. We can charge our phone or device. And then we could also charge another battery right here. All right, guys, so how do we pack this up? If I took one of my drones, let's say I take my Hasselblad right here, right? I could put the Mavic 2 Pro in right here with the propellers, okay? I'm gonna put my car charger in here because if I'm on the go, I might need my car charger. All right, because the sticks come off on the controller, I can just put them here and I can just fold this up. So the controller's not gonna fit this way. You have to put it vertical. Put in my controller right there. So I got my drone, my controller, my car charger. I have nowhere to put my iPad, so I can't put that in there. I'll just put my phone in my pocket. I have a cord for my phone, so I'll put that in there. I'll just put that in here, in the top, okay? I'll put one battery on the side right here. So I have one battery on the side. I'll fit another battery on the other side. So as you can see, I have 2 batteries on each side. I can put some extra propellers. I'll just put them in here. And then I'll put in my filters. I can put in my little filter right here. The bigger ones won't fit. Right now, inside I have my drone, my controller, my car charger, then I have the power bank adapter, then I also have these filters for the Zoom, even though I have the Pro with me. I have this little cable right here. I have the extra propellers in here. Then I have one battery on this side. I have one battery on that side. Zip it up. All right. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to carry these 2 separately. And it's not bad. For a little carrying case, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot the instruction booklet. So the instruction booklet tells you all about the equipment, okay? It does not tell you how to pack it though. All right, guys, so overall, this case isn't that bad. I got these 2 batteries here. It is a shoulder bag. I can put it on my shoulder. like this and carry it around. I can just grab it and go. It's relatively small. It looks a little weird with the battery sticking out, but it's still pretty small. You can grab it and go. It's a really nice bag. I couldn't fit the charging hub and these extra filters I had. Maybe I could try to squeeze them in, but I didn't want to break anything. Obviously my iPad and some other things didn't fit, but for a small bag, it's pretty darn good. Now, is it worth the price? DJI products are obviously rising in price because they make good products. I can say it's probably worth the price. Even at $379, if I bought all the stuff individually, it'd be more expensive. So overall, I think it was a good purchase. Wait a minute. Did you guys just hear that? I think I know what that is. I'm gonna have to move everything to the side. Whoa, baby. Whoa, baby, that's right. This is a real case. Let's do the second unboxing. All right, let me just flip it around here. Ta-da! All right, let's throw this out. Man, I am excited about this box. Now this is a real box. So this isn't just a bag. This is a case sent to me from Thomas Dacckit. All right, so let me just open it up. Oh, yes. All right, so let's put this box away. We don't need that. There it is. Now this was the case I was looking for because it's not that much bigger than the Fly More kit case, all right? If I hold them up side by side, all right, this is bigger. They're about the same in width, okay? But this can be a briefcase, like almost like a laptop bag, small laptop bag. And it's also a lot harder. Whereas I go like this, I might break something, probably shouldn't do that. Here, this is pretty hard. So I can tell it's really robust. All right, I'm not gonna break it. So now let's have a look inside. Just zippers open like this. So first thing it says right here, it says full refund. So one thing right off the bat, I could tell that this company actually cares about me as a consumer because they have a card here that says in big print, full refund. On the back, it talks about if I'm a happy customer, I do this. If I'm not happy, they'll help me out, contact me. So looking at this, I feel more of a personal touch right off the bat. When I buy this bag, this case, I should say, I feel like Dacckit, this company, actually cares about me as a consumer, whereas the DJI bag, not that it's bad, it's a great bag, it doesn't have that personal touch right here. So this was a really nice touch, I think. Okay, so opening up the bag, we have right here, this is a huge space. This is the latest iPad right here, 2018. And if I put it in, I've got plenty of space in here, okay? So why don't we have a look from above? All right, so what's nice is I can fit my iPad. This is a normal size iPad, and I can just fit it easily in here. We have our shoulder strap. So I can zip this up right off the bat. All right, so on the sides right here, we can just attach, all right, that right here, the other side right here, okay? So now it's a shoulder bag, and you can adjust it right here, okay? So let's take some of the stuff out of here and put it in here just to get this drone in here. It is in here snug, like maybe too snug. Man, I don't know if I just broke a propeller. That was not good. It sounded really bad. So putting it in this normal bag, it's just way too tight. It was just way too difficult for me to get that out. I can just put it in nice and easily. All right, with the propellers on, no problem. I can just take it out and I can just put my drone back in, no problem, okay? The controller obviously goes right here. The nice thing about it is I can put these joysticks back on. So I don't have to ever take off the joysticks. That's really, really convenient. And the controller just goes in like that. Plenty of space, no problem. Okay, my charging hub, which I couldn't fit in this bag, very easily fits in here. Okay, with plenty of space. It's actually really deep inside of there. I will also put my car charger there on top of it. Now I'm going to take out my extra batteries so I can put in my batteries right here. Take my other battery and then I can put it in here, no problem. Maybe I'm putting it in backwards. It doesn't really matter, it goes in both ways. Alright, it'll fit in both ways. It seems to go in better this way. Okay, it's no big deal. I don't want it to scratch my iPad. I might just put it right here with the controller. I have all these propellers. I can just put them either in here. Okay, alright, but I don't want them messing with my iPad, so I'm just gonna put the propellers right here. All right, so all my propellers are in there. I have 6 propellers in right there. And this bag is completely empty and I already fit more stuff in here already. All right, the filters I'm gonna have to put in the front case with the iPad. So no problem, just put those in there. If I wanted another battery, I could put it in here. And I still have room for one more battery, but I have 4 batteries in there right now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if I need my other charger, what I could do is I could just put that in here. Since I have the Pro, I need my Pro filters, so I'm gonna put those in here as well. And that's it, guys. I got everything I need in this bag. And then I just zip it up. And that's it. I'm ready to go. All right, guys, we're done doing the double unboxing. As you can see, these are 2 great shoulder bags. For me, because I have an iPad, because I have that and I want more space, I can also carry more batteries. If I want a 4th battery, I can fit it in here. With this bag, I can't do that. I can't add my filters, my extra charger, etc. So for me, this one is gonna go to the side and this is all I need. All right, it's not that much bigger. It's also harder. All right, it's easy to carry around. I can carry it like a briefcase, or I can just put it on my shoulder. I can just walk around with it with my shoulder like this, no problem. Or I can just walk around with it like this. Or I can just hold it like a briefcase, no problem. It's not that heavy. All right, guys, so before we go, I just want to say, for the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. For this bag, it's easy to carry around. It fits all my stuff. For the Mavic 2, you're gonna be able to fit all the accessories that you need. And to me, that's really important when I fly. No longer do I have to put it in multiple bags or carry it with my hands and just have things everywhere. All right, I just have one bag, I have all my stuff. It's very easy and convenient. So for this price, I'll put a link down below. You can get it on Amazon right now. I think it's a no-brainer. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this double unboxing, reboxing, or whatever you want to call it, please press that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you can get more videos about the Mavic 2, all the accessories like this, other DJI equipment, other drone equipment. I also do photography stuff as well. And before I go, remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás. I forgot to mention, you can also carry it with you like this.